What's going on, guys? It's Alex with Beard Adventures. See my car? I got a logo. Got a logo on my car now. Beard Adventures. Along with I had a black spoiler before. Now I have a white one. Stands out a little bit more. It's my license plate. Don't pay attention to that. My left signal. It's not signal. Sign. Whatever. Tinted windows. As you can see behind me, I think, maybe, we'll see later. I don't know. That's the waterfall. Yeah, you can see it. The building from Sweet Home, Alabama. And it's at a little park here. Only in Fayetteville, Georgia. And yeah, that's the waterfall, the building. And there's another building over there. There's an outhouse. I don't think I want to use that. I don't have to use the restroom. There's a newer outhouse up there. That's reminds me of outhouses I've used in Tennessee. You open the door and there's a snake in there. Not about that life. Just not really about it. Alright, don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Okay. Never gone up to it. Can we go inside there? I mean, there's no door technically, so I mean, I guess no. Alright, let's test my balance. Luckily it's a thick walkway. I'm not gonna walk all the way up there. I just have a feeling that ow! This thing has thorns on it. Ugh. Alright. Walking. Alright. Terrified of heights. Why am I? It's not even that far. But I'm scared. Walking slower. Alright, well, there's a waterfall up there. I just didn't want to go. So these guys are holding up the building. I don't know how well you can see in there. Let's see if I can get a clean part of the window. I don't know. It's pretty empty. Stars Mill. Back to my car I go. Try to not fall. This is dangerous. There's just holes everywhere. Alright, well, there's really not much here. There's this thing that does something. Well, at least it used to do something. And it looks like a door? That thing goes way up in the air, that pole. Yeah, it looks like that door would just open up somehow and let water in here, and then they would do something with it. I know nothing about this. Rome, Georgia. Oh, it's pretty cool looking. Bye bye waterfall.